SAAS is
fun,
colorful.
It's like a second home.
There's something for everybody's interest.
SAAS is a place that has pushed me in a lot of ways, and I'm completely grateful for that.
Welcome to Seattle Academy. My name is Lori Metcalf and I'm the Director of Enrollment Management. We're thrilled to have you here today. On behalf of the admission team, I want to assure you that we're here to help you every step of the way.
Given the opportunity to try as many things as possible, kids can become actors who have participated in robotics, scientists who thrive in the sculpture studio, and dancers who can program and code. At a lot of schools, those combinations would be unusual, but at Seattle Academy, those kinds of combinations are the norm, not the exception.
What the school has done is taken those gifts that I think my daughter has and really strengthened them, given her a willingness and a desire to do new things.
My son at SAAS, he really found out who he was and what he was good at and what he wanted to be good at. And the school gave him the confidence and the platform to try new things, to take risks, to find out that he was a leader.
Our job as a school is to look at each kid and look at their future, to keep the aperture as open as we possibly can. And that means a school that's invested not just in who they are as a sixth grader or as a high school senior, but who they're going to be in the world and the community 10, 20 years after they graduated from high school.
I have met so many different people, and I think it is so cool because, you know, we can all connect and we can kind of celebrate our differences.
So when I first came to SAAS, I was scared that I wasn't going to fit in, but almost immediately I found the entire grade, we were all pretty close, and the community building is fun and easy, and we're all comfortable.
Since everybody's like so different, that's what everyone has in common, is like they're different.
One of the most important things about building an inclusive community is trying to make sure that students feel like they can walk in the door and be their entire selves. I feel like students can be who they are, and that is hard anytime in life. That is especially hard as a teenager in high school. And I think maintaining that is really important.
It's a community that's very unique in the sense that that is our primary focus. To be in an environment where you can be yourself, to be in an environment where you're going to be pushed and challenged, but where you can push and challenge the norms.
SAAS knows and celebrates that everyone has something to offer, and that the getting to know the kid ripples throughout our whole community, where building relationships becomes our priority.
I think the coolest thing is probably that you can try everything and don't have to be confined to one area like sports or theater or something.
It was kind of a weird combo to be this musical dude doing pole vaulting stuff, but I ended up really liking it, and I got a couple friends to do it this year too.
I tried out for the volleyball team in 6th grade and I had never played before, so I didn't get cut. But since then, I'm senior captain of the varsity volleyball and basketball teams, and so I am where I am today because they allowed me that opportunity.
The no-cut policy has been fantastic in terms of just getting my 9th grader engaged coming into the high school. It was great to know that he'd be able to participate in a sport so that he could participate in a physical activity, but also know that he would have the opportunity to meet new kids in that way.
What you see so often in independent schools is that model where either you're going to have these great outcomes and great results, but everybody's not invited to the party, or you're going to have full inclusion, but those end results aren't always of very high quality. And what I think Seattle Academy's been able to pull off is kind of doing both, creating those programs that have entry levels where everybody can find what excites them, then take those programs and give them levels of almost infinite access so that in fact, once you find that excitement, you can pursue it to an incredibly high degree.
Those experiences outside of the classroom really kind of build the character of our Seattle Academy students. And I think it's incredibly valuable that we give that opportunity to every kid that wants to have it, regardless of skill or ability.
Kids at SAAS feel safe to take risks because they're encouraged to try new things. We try to provide as many opportunities as possible for both participation and excellence.
I think one thing that's gonna give me a lot of confidence out in the real world is the culture of performance. Going up in front of the classroom, just doing something, I think that is really a big skill in life.
SAAS really got me to push myself out of my comfort zone, and it really made me want to try new things and let me branch out.
Culture of performance means that we ask students to demonstrate what they're learning in front of an audience. And that could be just an audience of their class, it could be the whole school, it could be a panel of outside experts.
We are able to be vulnerable in front of students in different ways, and students feel that, and there's a reciprocity, and they get to be vulnerable in front of us and trust that we are going to do the best by them.
Trust is really, really important for innovations, and they have to support each other. And SAAS is great for that because they've all, from a younger age, had to push themselves out of their comfort zone and perform when maybe they weren't comfortable doing that, and they all support each other because they've all been there.
I think the most incredible thing about SAAS teachers is that you can always tell that your teacher loves their job. They want to be there with you. They want to be teaching what they're teaching.
I don't have any teacher that isn't putting their all into their class.
Teachers, staff, coordinators have such a good connection with the kids. You want to learn because of them.
Kids love coming to SAAS because they get to engage with teachers who love what they do. And the relationships that are so fundamental to everything we do inspire teachers to innovate, to collaborate, and to demonstrate creative risk-taking for students, which translates to the excitement that students feel in their classes every day.
Remember, when you come to open house to look at SAAS, you're not just looking at the buildings and the campus, you're looking at all of the places we take kids. I am here on Lake LaBarge with a senior class, and we come here for our senior trip. These kids have been dog mushing and sledding and ice fishing and all kinds of cool stuff, because we believe that as important as it is for what happens in the classroom, we really want the whole world to be our classroom.
You can't grow without being out of your comfort zone. In an adventure, you're not always comfortable, and you can't help but learn things that you cannot possibly learn in the best classroom with the best teacher.
I think I'm ready for college because of all the skills that my teachers and my friends and everyone here at SAAS kind of taught me.
My college advisor kind of just told me everything's gonna be okay, which is nice to hear.
One of the best things about sending my kids here is when it came time for them to apply for college, first of all, they knew who they were. They really were prepared for the transition, and the college advising saw them as this holistic person and just made it such a stress-free process.
So many families are worried about applying to college, but if your experience has been one of the culture of performance, one of participation and of excellence, of having relationships with teachers, you're accustomed to putting yourself out there, making yourself vulnerable to total strangers who like what they see. Our college admission partners love the dynamism, talent, and authenticity of Seattle Academy students, much of which is fostered through the culture of performance.
SAAS kids are creative, open-minded,
passionate about what they do. They put ideas together in a synthetic way to help make sense of the world they live in now, and that's exciting.
SAAS students are likely to know something about everything.
They are the best group of kids I've ever worked with.
Ils prennent des risques, ils ont beaucoup d'énergie.
I think SAAS students as scientists are creative and they're collaborative. And those are two things that in the broader scientific community are very important but aren't necessarily always taught.
Los estudiantes de SAAS son atrevidos.
I think SAAS students are fun and creative and
amazing.